The next feature I want to work on my Animalbase is the stars. I want to add a column of stars next to the name, type, description, and age. And each animal should then have a single star that can be turned either on or off. And as a user, I want to be able to give an animal a star and take it back again. And these stars should be kept no matter how the list gets filtered or sorted. So it's a part of the list, at least until it gets reloaded again from the JSON. So how do I do this? Well, in my planning, let's just say I want to have stars. And I want to be very aware of the model view controller model. Remember, model view controller, where the model is the data, the actual animal data there is about each animal. If we have here, we have Mia, that's a cat, a black cat, age 9. This is the data about Mia. This is the model for Mia. The actual numbers, not the display you see here. This is the view. And what I can do in the view is like the filtering and the sorting, and of course the stars, showing them. And then the controller, that's what I can do as a user in the user interface. In this example here, I can click the buttons to filter and sort, but I would also have the star buttons there. And I want to separate it into these 3 different things and concentrate on one of them to show how a strictly defined work process on model first, then view, then controller makes for a not much easier, but a bit easier approach. So the process would be first model. And what I want to do there is add star to animal, something that I can turn on and off. And then I want to have the view. And the first thing there is just add star to animal. I'm going to write here again. Add a visible fixed star to each animal in the list. That means just showing stars on the screen. And after having just a fixed star, then I want to get the star type. The star type would be whether it's selected or not selected. Maybe not the star type, the star status from the model, and display that in the list. And then finally I will add the controller, where I will add the user interactivity to turn stars on and off. So this should give me a process where first work on the model and make sure that works, and then I work on the view independent of the model, make sure that works, and then I combine the view and the model so that I know that the model will be displayed correctly before going all the way and making the controller modify the model and update the view. Before I go any further, let's just commit the plan. Status git add the plan and git commit added star plan. Cool. Now we are ready to code the model.